Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set autocorrect options on the Word document that you have created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the document. And after that you should go to your home page by tapping on this home button, and then go to the search bar at the top and type in autocorrect options. So here you can find a bunch of things that you can enable, such as replacing text as you type. You can tap on this capitalize first letter of sentences option, and in terms of the auto format you can replace ordinals with superscript. You can replace hyphens with dashes, replace fractions with fraction characters, and straight quotes with smart quotes. If you have enabled and disabled the options, just tap on the OK button and then it will be updated. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.